Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Wednesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this edition of the Coffee with Craig show and the news for the day. A lot going on. Everyone's probably getting prepared for Expo Real, either to attend it themselves or send someone. We've got our magazines out for Europa Property already on the way to Expo Real. Pick up a copy of it. We'll have extensive distribution throughout the fair. And of course, we'll be there and our team will be there. So drop me a message if you're at Expo Real, or let's meet up. If you have any events happening, any press conferences going on, any kind of announcements, let us know, because we want to cover them in the upcoming events. Exactly 2 weeks after Expo Real, we have our CRE Awards on the 20th of October in Budapest, covering the SEE region. So, of course, Hungary, Serbia, big focus on Serbia this year, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Slovenia, a bit on Montenegro as well, it seems. We'll get some extra nominations here at the end for Montenegro. So we hope to see you all there. And then 1 week after that, we have our CEE Investment Awards, where the short list, I think, is coming out soon, isn't it, Winston? We've got a record number of nominations there, it seems, yeah?
Yeah, still getting nominations in, and it'll be out soon, very soon.
Exciting. A lot of investments happened over the last year here in the region, and very exciting things going on. And then I think wrapping up the year with our retail guide, going out at MAPIC. We have of course, Roy's the international media partner with MAPIC. A lot going on there. We'll do a little cocktail party for retailers looking to come into Central Eastern Europe. So always nice to come by and see the new brands coming in, or at least looking to come in. So we'll take a little break. We'll come right back with our editor-in-chief, Winston Norman, and the news.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com.
So welcome back, and Winston, good to see you on this Wednesday morning, and let's hear what we've got exciting from the EuropaProperty.com website.
Yeah, thanks, Craig. Yeah, today we'll start with Echo Investment, who've released their financial results for the first half of 2022, and the developer reports that they're continuing to enjoy stable financial standing, and the strong position of the company allows it to search for new acquisitions and opportunities, and even larger scale operations throughout the country. So keep a lookout for those. Mm-hmm. The net profit of the group, the first half of 2022, amounted to 62 million zlotys, which was 30% higher than the corresponding period last year. And the value of Echo's assets at the end of the period amounted to 6.7 billion zlotys. And it's quite a busy year for Echo Investment, or half year, sorry. And they've sold a few investments to begin the year, which was Office Buildings Midpoint 71 and West 4 Business Hub 1 in Wrocław, and 3 buildings in the Łódź-based Fuchsia development, which found some new owners. And all these transactions amounted to 205 million euros. And the company announces that they should be announcing some more deals soon, which is that time of year, I guess.
Well, I guess Wing and the other investors must be pretty happy with these results.
A lot going on at this group for sure, and they've got a lot of product out there. And moving to the sustainability and ESG sectors, and SIMO has received a couple of awards, which is they've been awarded for their concrete efforts in the sustainability field. This was the EPRA Awards for 2022. And this is they won 2 awards at the Sustainability Awards, which are presented annually at EPRA. And this is, like I said, they were awarded for their ESG and sustainability principles, and so they're very happy with that their ESG strategies are bearing fruit for the company, which bodes well for tenants and clients further down the line.
Well, you don't want to be in a building that's not ESG compliant, do you?
I guess not in these days, no. And moving back to Poland, and P3 Logistics Parks has announced that they've signed over 94,000 square meters in Poznan, with various companies including West Wing, PF Logo Express, Servo Logistics, and British American Tobacco. And according to Magda Towarowska, head of leasing at P3 Parks, Poznan has been one of the most sought-after locations on the warehouse map of Poland, thanks to its excellent location, proximity to world infrastructure, and access to qualified staff. It enjoys enormous unflagging interest. And finally, for today, moving to Hungary, and Wing have announced that the recently refurbed Go Buda Mall is welcoming some new major international retailers. The mall opened in spring. And this autumn, the new anchor tenant is the LPP Group with two of its brands. The Polish clothing company will bring Mojito, which is a women's clothing and accessories, and House, which is for young people and young consumers. And the Buda Mall now is 25,000 square meter, offers 25,000 square meters of GLA.
Wow.
And around 100 stores.
Interesting seeing, obviously the Polish brands and LPP is in a lot of places, and good to see they're still opening stores.
Yeah, it's good that new shopping centres are getting new international clients, and it must bode well for them going forward.
Excellent. So is that all we have for the day?
That's all the news for today, Craig. Yeah.
All right. So great. Thank you for all watching the Coffee with Craig show. We'll have a lot going on next week. I guess will be more of our Expo Real week, so quite a few interviews already set up for Expo, and we'll try to get them out to you, maybe not live, but very soon after. So enjoy the rest of the day. We'll see you Thursday morning for the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.